I want to be very clear about where I'm coming from before we begin. Okay? I'm not here to preach, I'm not here to convert, and I'm not here to attack Christianity. I'm here to examine something Christians themselves say they value deeply: biblical consistency. I'm known publicly as the Black Love Doctor. I work with families, marriages, and generational pain. And one question keeps coming up, especially in faith spaces. Does the idea of race actually come from the Bible? If we look at the text itself, if you look at Acts chapter 17, verse 26, where it says, "From one blood, God made all nations of men." That's not my language. That is the text language. One blood, many nations. Not many races. Modern science agrees with this. Anthropology agrees with this. And interestingly, so do some educators. Jane Elliott demonstrated that what we call race is not a biological category. It's a social one, something learned, something enforced. What's fascinating is that this aligns far more closely with the biblical framework than most Christians realize. In Scripture, differences are described as tribes, tongues, nations, cultures, not races. Even Paul's language in Galatians, neither Jew nor Greek. It's not denying difference, it's denying hierarchy. Which raises an uncomfortable but important question. If race is a modern social construct and Scripture emphasizes shared origin and shared dignity, why do churches sometimes defend racial categories more fiercely than biblical ones? This isn't about guilt. It's about alignment. You can hold to your faith, your scripture, your theology, and still acknowledge that race, as we use it today, is not a biblical invention. And if reconciliation is a gospel value, then honesty has to come before unity. We don't heal by pretending. We heal by telling the truth, and even when it costs us comfort. From one blood, many cultures, one human family.